If you're experiencing pending transfers on Shopify, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you resolve those issues quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Shopify admin and navigate to the Settings section. Click on Payments and then View Payouts to check the status of your pending transfers. This will give you an overview of any issues. Step 2. Verify bank account information. Ensure that your bank account information is correct. Go to Settings, then Payments, and confirm that your bank details are accurate and match the information provided to your payment processor. Step 3. Review payment processor requirements. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Check for holes or restrictions. Look for any holes or restrictions placed on your account. This can be found in the settings under Payments. If there are any alerts or notifications, follow the instructions to resolve them. Step 5. Contact Shopify support. If the issue persists after checking the above steps, reach out to Shopify support. Provide them with details about your pending transfers and any steps you have already taken to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Shopify effectively. If you continue to face issues, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Shopify support team.